What is up, you guys? As you can see, we're putting paint on Kay currently, and yeah, it's kind of how it's going.
Ooh, that's cold. Ooh. Jesus!
Do you guys see the masterpiece in which we have created today? So with that being said, what is up, YouTube family, man? A little behind the scenes vibe of this shoot they're about to do. A little in studio vibe, and yeah. Alrighty, as you guys can see, go ahead and give us a 360K. Fully covered, man. You guys can see she's fully covered. We got a little paint vibe going on today, man. Yeah! What is up, you guys? We're back at it again. Me in that box. What is that? What the fuck is that? With it, everybody's asking, you guys have been asking a lot, like, what the hell is Kay doing? We've all been asking.
Welcome back, it's Preload K back again.
I like fucking bitches, so don't leave your boo here. She said if I want it, I could get it. Oh yeah.
What are you, family, man? We're back at it again, another man. So I'm starting back to, you know, I've been organizing a lot of different things, and I'm starting to understand which platform needs to have what on it, you know, as we continue to grow. So for now, you know, if you guys want to do any in-depth tutorials and stuff like that, when I, like, you know, talk about gear that I use and stuff like that, go to the Patreon. Okay, so the Patreon will be for that. You guys are enjoying that and stuff like that. It's free right now currently. When we get to like more members, I might start to, you know, charge a little bit or something like that. But right now currently it's free. I'm trying to make sure I can separate everything. But the YouTube right now is going to be like, you know, not as in-depth of tutorials, but majority of it is going to be just behind the scenes and vlogging. Okay, so behind the scenes and vlogging life as a photographer. For my quick tips and tricks will be on Instagram and TikTok. So look at those, stuff like that. TikTok's not going to be as updated as frequently because, you know, I don't really necessarily care about TikTok too much. But Instagram can be every single day, 3 posts a day, tips, tricks, behind the scenes on there, and then straight BTS and vlogs is on YouTube, and then tutorials and stuff like that will be on Patreon from now on. This is what will help me continue to stay, you know, organized and active with you guys. So yeah, so as you can see today we have Kay here. We're doing a little paint shoot, a little vibe like that. Trying to start organizing myself more to where I don't have to, you know, force too much different content on all of these different platforms and try to create a schedule. You know what I'm saying? On certain days, I focus on certain platforms and stuff like that. So stick with me. You know what I'm saying? Stick it out with me. Vibe out with me while I try to, you know, figure this whole social media thing out, because it's been working, but there's just a lot of different moving factors that you don't really think about until you really get into it, such as, you know, for example, all the platforms that you have to get in and use. But yeah, so she has a lot of paint on her right now, and the only thing that doesn't have paint on her is her back currently.
Yeah.
And yeah, I got gloves upstairs. Let me go get some of my gloves. Hold on.
I look like a hunk.
You look like what?
I look like I'm art.
Yes, quite literally. So with that being said, what is up, YouTube family, man? A little behind the scenes vibe of this shoot they're about to do. A little in studio vibe today. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and get straight to it. I'm putting this glove on so I can help her with the back, because we're not trying to get too messy. I literally bought these gloves for no reason, and now I have a reason. Like, I bought them like for one use, and then like it was a whole pack, so I had the whole thing. But yeah, so you guys, we're gonna be shooting on the Sony, and I have a T7i. I know some of you guys shoot with T7is, you know, the cheaper cameras and stuff. So I want to do some cheap shots with the cheaper cameras. Show you guys how you can also get, like, you know, high quality with just the T7i. You don't need all the extra stuff. Which color do you want? Doesn't matter. Oh, just like so. Oh shit, let me get some, what's it called? It's kind of how it's going.
Ooh, that's cold. Ooh. Jesus!
New colors, guys, new colors. Just like random shit like that. Oh yeah, masterpiece.
Well, that's cool.
Masterpiece. Do you guys see the masterpiece in which we have created today? Yes. Alrighty, as you guys can see, go ahead and give us a 360K. Fully covered, man. You guys can see she's fully covered. We got a little paint vibe going on today, man. Yeah. All right, so we're about to go ahead and start, you guys. I'm gonna start setting up my lighting and making sure that everything in there is right, because I kind of wanted to be a dark vibe with her just being the only thing that's lit. So we're gonna see how I can make that happen. I got a V-Flat over there that I'm probably gonna be using as well. And I have a little Mustang over there as well. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm about to go ahead and get this first light ready. Set this bad boy up. Let's put this little time lapse over here. Let him keep going. We got this light on right here. She feels so frozen she can't move. Right there, there we go. You really can move. I mean, there you go. You got your canvas. You got some, yeah, paint. You got your standing and shit.
I feel like I'm that girl from Fantastic Four. Don't move it.
Turn these off too. Turn the backlights off, you guys. So that way it's just her mostly. There we go. And all the extra light out of the way. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm about to do some test shots, y'all, and see how it turns out. Might turn this light off too, though. So I got the 2 lights on right now. Where y'all at? 2 light low setup. I got this one right here, and then I got this one. I turned off my big parabolic umbrella, and I just have this one on. So I'm just gonna try to see how these come out right here. About to go ahead and take a few test shots and show you guys. There you go. All right, best. Settings, I'm about to go down to ISO 100, you guys. Always try to stay around 100 to 200. F2.8, shutter speed 250, and let's see how it comes out. Right now, let me see. Oh, it's coming out pretty good. Hold on. I'll try to make it a little bit more dramatic with the lighting. Let me see. Look at me, okay? Let me see. There we go. There we go. Let me see. Come forward a little bit. Right there. Let me see. Hold it. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna turn this light off in the back. So that way there's no backlight. I'm gonna just leave it straight front light. The front light's gonna help it become like really dramatic. So let's see how this comes out. Let's see. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There you go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Look like off that way. Yeah. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah. See. Look. There you go. Very dramatic. I love how dramatic it looks. Hold it. There we go. I'm gonna go down to my power, you guys. I'm at 4. I'm about to go down to 16 and see how that looks, and then probably play around my ISO a little bit. Put my ISO to 250. Yeah, there you go. F-stop is 3.5. There you go. There you go. Give me some like side. Turn to the side a little bit. Yep. There you go. Just like that. There you go. Yeah, like that. There we go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. There we go. My ISO is 160, you guys. My shutter is, ooh, yep. My shutter is f3.5. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Just like pat it in there. Up top. Yep, there you go. Yeah. Alright, bet. That's cute. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. And then look that way, look that way, look towards the yep. Hold it. There we go. Yeah. Hold it, hold it, hold it. That's cute, that's cute. Look back down again. Hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Yeah, there you go. Those streaks, the streaks look cool. Like, they're all like the same line, yeah. Bet. There we go, yeah. Hold it. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep. There we go, yep. Fulls, yep. Go up on my ISO. There we go, yes. Yes. There we go. There we go. Put that leg back out again. Yeah, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.